Good morning. You horse. Couldn't even close my shit. Just come with me. We gotta get a table.
Alright, tell me. Look at the time. What time?
It is 8 o'clock. Yeah. I just gotta grab this.
I need your backup to tell me.
Bro, it's fine. Yeah. Oh, come on with this corny shit. Locking the door and shit. Huh? Bro, he didn't just lock it. Like, you know, he always just keeps it locked. Good morning, Mr. Gregory. I mean, Mr. Scully. Gregory said to borrow a table if possible.
Borrow a table?
Yeah, one of these tables.
Why don't you go to the automatic machine?
Alright.
Okay.
So take this one.
Yeah, take this one.
Okay. Yeah, I got you. Oh. Thought that was gonna be heavier. Yes, sir. Thank you. Bro, you don't have to. How you do this? Oh. Wait, I bet. But we don't have one table. Oh Lord. Just this one. Just mine. I mean, obviously that's the thing, is that it's so scuffed. We can only get one table at a time. But alright, I'm back. About to start working on this transmission. Yeah, so let's get it.
Oh shit! Oh yeah.
Bet. But bro, if you just post it and tag me, it's chill. But
just spray a little bit inside the hole.
I bet. Don't worry, Doc. Yo, hold it for me. Hold it.
Like you gotta do it with a little bit because it's gonna be. See, that's a lot easier.
A lot easier. I'm not even gonna hold these.
Just loosen this.
You was right.
Just put it out. Yep, there you go. I'm telling you, you be rust.
No.
Oh wait, hold it.
It's rounding. That's all I got, but Good morning. Excuse me. Do you think I could get a cart? I got my ID or whatever. For Gregory class.
Who?
Gregory?
G class?
Yeah.
That's whose class?
Yeah, we about to bust down my transmission.
Transmission?
Yeah, ZF.
You gotta take off the...
No. Just like refresh the whole seals for my E36.
It's already out?
Yeah, it's on the table, everything.
Oh, you like that?
Yeah. About to make my little videos and shit, you know?
It's already... Transmission's already out. You already got the parts.
Yeah, man. About to farm this content real quick.
You know what I'm saying? after that, throw it on the tube.
I appreciate you. Yo, I swear every time I work on something for a BMW, there's a fucking... Right, like, bro, that shit is so annoying.
It's the BMW special.
Like, bro, even brand new ones.
Yeah, it's a BMW special.
Alright, so let me see. I know you're not here to learn science.
Mm-hmm. And I literally have the fucking bolt extractor at the house. It's all good. If we can't do it today, I'm coming tomorrow with the bolt extractor. Keep it going.
Asian, bro. They don't know how to drive.
Yeah, because if you stop, that should sound like it's about to give up. Is it good?
I may need help with it next time I'm in this fucking car.
It's going out. What happened? What, a Scully? It's 50, no?
It's 50.
What time he say you gotta be back?
11:50.
Oh my god! Yo! I crouched at the right time.
You be driving the fuck out of this car.
He said, I'm testing that.
Ripping this hoe.
Testing that fuel pump.
Once we get to the highways, I don't feel safe. I feel like I'm in a roller coaster with no seatbelts.
Yeah. I got the seatbelt buckle right on my ass right.
You're gonna go back around there?
I see Jameek. I see Mike.
Why? He's right there.
Exactly, but it's funny.
What's funny?
If I could barely fit, I can only imagine what he would go through.
Oh, you mean in Don's car? Oh.
Bro, Donovan's car is way too small for my tall ass, bro. I can tell. Okay. No, I remember. I got one leg for me. It's a famous nigga.
He said, why you got eyes on me?
Incline. 50.
It's always 50. We do a 50 now.
Yo, where the fuck Don go? Damn.
Almost got a fucking concussion. I was driving in Donovan shit.
That shit said.
I was in Donovan shit, bro. I couldn't fit. And there was two other people, so my seat was pushed up.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah.
My nose already touched the fucking ceiling.
Almost
speeding on the boats and shit.
broken neck.
All make it seem so easy.
Yeah, he does make it seem easy, huh?
It's all you have no choice but to do it. That's how it is.
Yeah, nigga, the army, you don't really have a choice.
No, you don't.
Just let me know.
Right there. Nah, ain't no fucking way. I had that shit. How? Yep, it gotta be the thing we're trying to push it through. That's what it is.
Hammer that bitch a couple times, see.
Yep.
Shit is in your way, I know.
Bro, I'm telling you, it's the slightest of this being in the way that's fucking me up every time. I already know.
So I shifted it so that it could
Fit better, and we get more angle, because this is getting in the way of everything we're trying to do. Because we were lining it up, but it still wouldn't slide in. And now you don't have much room.
Oh, there we go.
Hold on.
What's I about to say?
I think we got it.
Use the bottom of the hammer. Like,
Woo!
let's go. I'm like, no, you're trolling me.
No, I felt it. I heard it and I felt it. I'm like, no, I got it. Ain't no way this shit leaving, son.
There we go.
And I didn't know what the fuck you said. I'm like, wait a minute. Thor.
So, basically, I have until the end of the week to try and finish that transmission up. So, that's what we're gonna do. I'm not gonna tell you what engine is gonna mate up to that transmission, but it's gonna be a vibe. So, we about to go home. Look at this guy. He's ready to go home. Everybody's ready to go home.
People in that
Put the camera here. Put the camera here.
and everyone.